Good morning, it is 6:30. It is January 13th, 2025, and the market is open. We're going to wait the first 5 minutes, set some levels. Past couple days, the market has seen quite a downtrend. I imagine that today the downtrend will continue, but we're going to try and stay biased for the market to go up or down and see where it goes. So let's wait these 5 minutes, get a level set, and see what kind of trade we can get into. All right, we got our 5 minutes. This is gonna be our 5-minute high, and this is the 5-minute low. Let's wait for it to have a break below or above, and then we want to see a retest. Get into play. All right, we just broke the 5-minute low right here, but we're having a lot of buyers strength step back in. This gold zone right here is a liquidity zone. There's a lot of volume sitting here. There's a lot of volume sitting right here as well, this gold zone. Beautiful, awesome. Okay, this is exactly what we want to see. Very impulsive candle down. Now it looks like we're getting a little bit of the retest back up into here. What I want to see next is for it to slowly step up into this zone here. Well, we'll break above it, but have candle close below. Once we have a strength and price action showing that we are, in fact, going to the downside, which, I mean, let's be real, we are going to the downside here. I'll enter into a short. And, yeah, hopefully be done pretty early today. We're getting a really strong impulsive candle right here. If we do break above this and close, I want to wait a couple candles just to confirm that the price action is still moving downwards. This is pretty strong, but it looks like, okay, well, it looks like now the sellers are stepping in. So we didn't get to cross above the 5-minute low right here, so I'm not going to enter into the trade just yet. This is a super strong impulsive candle. We broke above the 5-minute low. We'll see if the sellers will step in. Wow, that is quite the impulsive candle. Let me double check something. We don't have any news today. I don't know where this is coming from. Let me just refresh this. Yeah, we don't have any news today. Buyers stepped in really strong here. That is quite a candle. I'm really happy I didn't enter into a short around here, thinking that, like, kind of came to the 5-minute but didn't. So let's see what we got next. We are coming up into the 5-minute high here. We'll wait for a break and a retest and see maybe if we could take this long. Our thesis this morning, although we try not to be biased, the whole entire market was down. Wasn't down that much, but it looked like it would continue to go down. This could be the turnaround point where, it's starting to reverse. So it's a good thing that we have plans in place to stop us from getting into FOMO, just because the market's moving in a certain way, in a fast way. This impulsive candle here would have definitely given a lot of people FOMO, and people would have jumped in around here thinking continue to go down, all for it to just have this happen. So a lot of people definitely got stopped out, and I think this is like a liquidity grab right here. Let's just hang out and see what we got. It's only 6:45. We trade to 8 o'clock, so we got some time. And we broke the 5-minute low again. Barely broke it, and had a bounce with the buyers stepping in. Candle hasn't closed yet, so let's just wait and see what we got. We had another break of the 5-minute low. Looks like this candle's going to close above it again. Oh, nice. Okay, cool. It's pretty erratic. All right, it did close above it. This market is acting pretty funky right now. These long wicks, the sellers are really stepping in, trying to reclaim. Okay, so we just broke above the 5-minute high. We're getting some nice displacement above it now. Let's see if we can get a little retest back into the zone with the candle close above the 5-minute high, and then we will enter into a long. It sucks seeing this kind of stuff in the market. These are big moves that are happening, but they're not moves that align with my strategy. We just had a retest into the 5-minute high. We'll wait for this candle to close and we'll enter into a buy.
Order submitted.
Let's see this candle close above the 5-minute high. If it doesn't, then this is going to stop us out, and we'll call it for the day for trading. But buyers are starting to step in. We had another close above the 5-minute high. We're approaching our first price target. And the sellers step in. That's a pretty aggressive pushback down with that wick.
Order canceled.
Nice. We hit our first price target. Let's move this back up to break even. I want to see this clear this liquidity zone with some strength, and then I might close out of this a little bit early. We are having a little resistance right here. If we get above this zone right here, this would be a good indication that we can keep going up. There we go. Okay, we broke that right there. We are up about $650. We're coming to this liquidity zone. We broke through it, and now we're approaching. This is going to be the
order canceled.
Okay, cool. Awesome. I am done for the day. We hit 2 of our price targets, and we traded well. We had patience. So let's see. We entered in right around here. We didn't get stopped out because I put my stop loss below the break of the 5-minute high, so that would be on this candle. I put it right around this area, so I never actually really came that close to it, luckily. Had a little bit of struggle here, but eventually buyer stepped in and shot back up, and we got out at right the right time. So I read it a whole number. I put it at 20,850, and it looks like it went about $5 higher. So I'm happy with today, calling it. I'll go back and rewatch this and hopefully have this video up shortly. So thanks for tuning in.